Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegan vanilla cake. Let's start by gathering our dry ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures everything is evenly distributed, which is key for a consistent rise and perfect texture in your finished cake. It's a simple but vital first step. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of unsweetened plant-based milk, 1/2 cup of neutral oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now, gently pour these wet ingredients into your dry mixture. Mix until just combined, being very careful not to overmix. Overmixing can develop the gluten too much, leading to a tough, dense cake, and we want a light, fluffy one. Now it's time to bake. Divide your batter evenly between 2 9-inch round cake pans, which you've already lined with parchment paper and lightly greased. Place them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 28 to 32 minutes. To check for doneness, simply insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, your beautiful vegan vanilla cakes are ready to come out of the oven. Once baked, let your cakes cool in their pans for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps them firm up before you carefully invert them onto a wire rack to cool completely. It's super important that the cakes are fully cooled before you even think about frosting them, otherwise your delicious vegan buttercream will simply melt. While they cool, you can prepare your favorite vegan vanilla buttercream frosting for the perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.